So I see the biggest opportunity in manufacturing organizations for the leaders that run them is the ability to get the right facts in front of the right people so that they can take the right action. On the one hand, you've got manufacturing organizations which really don't have a lot of data, and it's then really difficult for leaders in those organizations to get the right facts to drive decision making. And then on the other hand, you've got organizations which have so much data and they spend an enormous amount of time trying to understand that data, studying that data, and they end up with, the old adage of analysis paralysis. They spend more time actually dealing with the data than actioning the data. What's important is being very, very incisive, particularly in the age now of AI, where you can get AI to look at lots and lots of different things. What you really need is your tools and systems, be that AI enabled or not, being very incisive, looking at the key data and the key information which is going to drive performance. Get that in front of your leaders and your shop floor teams and use that to drive actions and performance on a day-to-day basis. That is where the real performance improvement lies.